What's up, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? AcesBlackstar in the building. I haven't made a YouTube video in a while, but look, listen, I've been working on something really special called the 3-day profit challenge. All right, so if you are a trader out there, you've been looking at how can I make money from this industry while I'm still learning, I have the solution for you. All right, I run a PAMM account, a very, very profitable PAMM account, might I add. And what I want to do is I want to help those beginner traders make money while they're learning how to trade. All right, I don't have any courses for sale, I don't have any trainings for sale, I don't have a signal group or anything like that. I literally have a PAMM account where you can copy my trades. It's basically copy trading. So you're copying my everyday move to help you become profitable. All right, this is going to be going down on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All right, I'm gonna leave a link below so that you can go ahead and join my free Telegram group, which is going to give you access to jump into presentation. It's all absolutely free. You don't have to worry about paying for anything, and you really just get to copy my trades. But here's the kicker: you're actually using AI to copy the trades, not a signals group. So I'm not taking a trade, then copying the stop loss, to take profit and all of that kind of stuff and putting it in the Telegram group, and you copying and pasting that. You trying to do that while you in the bed, while you at work, or nothing like that. AI on the back end is automatically going to copy the trades that I take. So when I take a buy, your account is automatically going to take a buy. When I take a sell, your account is automatically going to take a sell, and it's going to automatically adjust the lot size based on how much you actually deposit. So you don't have to actually worry about trading at all. You can literally make money from trading while you learn. So if you still out there, you want to learn, you want to fish, that's great, that's fantastic. I'm not telling you not to do that at all whatsoever. But what I want you to do is I want you to profit from this industry so that you know that it's possible. You know that it's something that you can do. You know that it's something that can work as long as you stay consistent, learn the skills from the person that you need to learn from, because it's a lot of traders out here that actually don't know how to trade. They make 100% of their money just selling courses, selling signal groups and all of that kind of stuff. And you don't want to be that person that takes a course, learn the material in the course, but can't apply it because it doesn't actually work, and then you end up just regurgitating the information, starting your own course, and that's how you generate income. You don't want to be that person. You want to be able to go in the market and print money just like all these other, big time traders are. And the only way that you can do that is by learning from the right person and taking your time, really just dedicating time to the skill. That's, at the end of the day, what you have to do with anything. If you want to be an NBA player, if you want to be an NFL player, if you want to be a musician or whatever, you just have to take time to dedicate to the craft in order for you to get it. You're not just going to get it overnight, because it's much more than just a strategy that you have to learn. It's patience, it's discipline, it's risk management, and all of that kind of stuff. I don't want to say this specifically, but all strategies work. Whether you're a scalper, a swing trader, day trader, whatever the case may be, what makes it wrong is the actual human, the psychology that you have when you're trading. That's what makes you lose a trade. But other than that, ladies and gentlemen, it's literally, look, what I got for y'all is something different. All right, a lot of people don't do what I'm doing right now because they can't actually trade, and if you copy their trades, then you will probably lose all of your money. But what I'm telling you is I put something together so sweet for those beginner traders, for those retirees, for those individuals that just have money parked somewhere and it's just not doing anything, sitting inside of a savings account or a high yield savings account or whatever the case may be. Now it's time to put your money to work. You worked hard enough for the money. Let me give you the opportunity to put your money to work for you while you still learn. Like I said again, I'm not telling you not to learn how to trade yourself. I'm telling you to make money while you're learning. It's possible, and I'm bringing it to y'all. A lot of people don't do it, but I'm doing it. And the only way for you to really figure out how it works is by jumping on the 3-day webinar. It's a 3-day webinar, real short, real sweet. And I'm going through everything, how to get started, how it all works, and what the percentages is and all of that kind of stuff. Because I focus on small incremental gains over an extended period of time. I'm not trying to turn your $100 into $1,000 in a day or nothing like that. I'm literally just taking it step by step so that you can be profitable and see that this whole thing actually works. with that being said, I want you to go click the link in the bio, join the Telegram. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, reach out to me personally on Telegram. That way I can send you voice messages and stuff like that, and we can kind of go over anything else that you want to go over. But this is not a course. This is not a training. This is not a paid signal group. This is nothing like that. This is literally you copying my trades 100% hands-free when you're on vacation, when you're asleep, when you're at your birthday party, your kid's birthday party, whatever the case may be. All you have to do every day is check your phone to see how much money you made. That's it. When can you withdraw? You can withdraw anytime. All right. As long as trades are closed, you can do a withdrawal, because I can't approve a withdrawal while trades are open. When can I deposit? You can deposit anytime, as long as the trades are closed. All I have to do is hit approve. When the trades are closed, your money will go into the account and you will start to make more money because you added more money. All right. So this is for everybody. This is for beginners. You don't need to learn how to read a chart. You don't need to know how candles move in different patterns and all of that. You don't need to know any of that. This is literally you copying my trade 100% hands-free, and then you choose who you want to learn from. There are some traders out here that are really, really profitable. They have great courses, they have great trainings, they have great mentorships. But what I'm telling you is it's going to take you time, energy, and effort to actually learn those skills. And if you want to be profitable right away, you could join a PAMM account, make some money. Once you make money from the PAMM account, withdraw the profits that you made and trade with that. If you put $1,000 in and I turn it into $1,500, so you actually made an extra $500. Take the $500 out, which is your profit, and trade with that. That way you're not trading with your rent money. You're not practicing with your electric bill money, your car note money, or anything like that. You're literally trading with the profits that you got from this free PAMM account that you subscribe to. All right. The crazy thing is, the only way for you to really know these traders are legit, I'm gonna go over that inside the slides. All right. I can't really tell you how to spot a fake on here, but everything that we do is 100% legit. I got receipts for everything because I make 100% of my money trading. I don't have a course, I don't have a signal group, and there's nothing wrong with those things. But those people who only have those things, you got to watch out for them. You don't never see them trading. You don't never see them taking no trades or taking no withdrawal from the actual broker. It's all affiliate commissions and stuff like that. It's because they don't know how to trade. They making money off of you because you bought the course, you bought the mentorship, you bought the training, and you don't know what you don't know. So when you watch the video, it sounds good, but when you go to implement it on a chart, it don't actually work. You're losing trades. That's because you learned how to trade from a non-trader trader. So point blank period. We ain't got time for all of that. All right. 100% free. Join this 3-day challenge. The webinar is going to be Wednesday, Thursdays, Fridays. I'm going to try to get y'all in every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And I just want to put y'all on. All right. I've been doing this for a few years now. Super, super profitable. We already got a community. I already have like 47 or 48 different people who have invested. You can ask them what the track record look like. Hey, this is one of those opportunities that you just might not ever have, like I said, because a lot of traders won't do this, because if you copied their trades, you would lose your money just like they lost theirs. That's why they created a course in the first place, to try to get their money back. They're selling you $1,000 course, you know, $4,000 mentorship and stuff like that, because they lost all their money in the market. They need to figure out how to get it back. They're getting it back from the person who wants to learn how to trade, which is you. We ain't got time for that. We ain't doing that. You plug into the PAMM for free. We have a profit split. Yes, we do get paid, but we only get paid when you get paid. That's just what it is. The profit splits. I don't have a set profit split right now because it all depends on how much you invest, but you're copying my trades. I'm trading my own capital. You're just copying my trades, trade for trade. So when I make money, you make money. Point blank period. So if you are a beginner trader, you've been looking at Forex, you want to learn it, but you also want to make money right away with it. I'm not telling you you're going to make a whole bunch of money. You know, I'm not a financial advisor either, so investing is risky. A lot of people lose, but it's very, very difficult to blow an account if you're copying an experienced trader with an experienced system. All right? So do with that information what you want. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is going down. Click the link in the description. Join the free Telegram group so that you can be notified as soon as we start doing these webinars, these 3-day challenges. And the webinar is really just information on how it all works and how you can get started with it. All right, come make money with us. Boss for what? Let's get it. Check it for AC, hand on the shoulder. Blackstar, make a real, don't wanna hear shoulder. So if you with it, AC, baby, go and do the most. Bring that over here, go and bend it over. Check it for AC, hand